Alright, so you guys kept complaining about not enough house videos, so it's like 2 degrees above freezing. Fucking cold down here. But we'll figure we'll get something done just to appease all of you.
We've been meaning to tear this out anyway.
Yeah, and so this can open up because we are forming a company to, because that's always the idea. We're going to make wooden mallets, and we need a big, nice machine shop area, and that's going to be the basement. So we're going to have all sorts of fun and maybe even sell some products, some official products.
That would be nice.
So let's get started. Oh, and we also noticed that there's actually some bricks there. Oh, hey, there is a light here. Holy shit.
And it's got an outlet on it.
Yeah, I guess we don't really need that light.
Yeah, that's weird. Bricks. Why?
It does make me worry what's underneath there.
Yeah, because here's the end of the cement floor for the rest of the house.
Which I think that's only like half an inch thick. I think it's still this original messed up concrete, and they just put a new layer on.
Well, see how it's all in sections?
Yeah.
I wonder if this was like one section here that they tore out for some reason or other.
Yeah.
I don't know, but it's just weird that this is different than the rest of the floor, and there's bricks.
There's a key. No key.
That's not a key.
Yeah, it is.
It's a nail.
It's not a key.
Oh, I was looking at something else.
You blind old fart.
You suppose that's like an original house key, maybe?
Maybe. Keep it.
Oh, now this is going to be different. We're going to have a problem here.
Oh?
We'll have to leave this one board because they've got the pipes going through it.
Yeah, we can. Well, I think we can start with
the shelving. Get the shelving out of here for sure. This was just...
Hey, made in Hillsboro. So this is like recyclable wood. That's good. We'll just take that out
of here in one piece.
Get that out of here. You know, I love how much it echoes. I love how much it echoes because it means because that means you have a big basement.
Echo.
What is that? Oh, remember the tongue and groove.
They are tongue and groove, aren't they?
Yeah. You know what? Maybe we... Yeah. The nail's here, and then it goes on the next board. So underneath here. Just get your crowbar underneath here and pull it out a bit, and then go up there and pull it out a bit, okay? Don't go too hard. Are these cedar?
You know, I don't know.
These might be cedar. They smell kind of. Now I'm going to pop this one. Give me the crowbar. Actually, give me the big one. You got this one. You got the big one. Yeah. ahead. I think we found our method.
Yeah, it seems to be working pretty good now.
There we go. Alright, so this one, they're going this way, so we'll take them out this way.
Same deal.
It goes up against us, so we're not going to get that out.
This one is going to have to stay.
Hey, look at that.
Yeah, it's got some sort of old insulator or something.
It's got it too. I know it's the original, aren't they? Oh, I can get that out. The wood shrunk around it.
Well, this one we're going to have to leave on there. Because we got that pipe going through until we cut it or something. But we can get it loosened from this. There, and then get this off.
Now we can get this out. Okay. Oh, I got it.
There it is. Structure on here.
You want to meander that around? Oh, I got it now. A little more. Okay.
Okay, so same deal.
Yeah.
There, I'm just going to knock that top loose.
Oh, okay then. Sewer line. Yeah, maybe we should just try that. Nails.
Wow, they actually nailed it with cement. But we can should be able to get this off of that. Yeah, one board. There we go. There it is. This is weird.
You can tell it's like,
Well, they built it and then stuck everything through everything.
it's part of your refrigerator. But no.
Look.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a lot of room here. There is no longer a dead body around here. Here, let me.
Here, put this over here. There we go. Now, let's see if I can do that kind of thing.
Perfecto. And then this
All
part.
right, so yeah, a couple more pieces here. Yeah, I saw that moving a little bit.
Oh, spring. This is their here. Oh, that works.
Oh yeah, the whole thing is loose now.
Got there, bud?
It's kind of folded up.
Yeah. Now I wonder if there's like a cistern underneath there.
I don't know.
Yeah. A lot of dust in there here. Is all this just brick floor with concrete over it?
You know, I don't know. I don't know what's going on in this corner here.
I mean, you dig up what you already have, but this stuff is not the same height.
No, I know. It's weird.
Yeah. I just realized I've been recording at 25 frames per second this entire time, not 50, so the video's not going to look very good. Oh well.
Yeah, it's just us tearing some shit apart.
It's funny, and now that we haven't been doing videos with you in a while, people have been saying like how I wish they hate you.
How what?
Yeah, how much they hate seeing these videos. It's like, okay.
Well, then what am I in this one for?
I don't know. Because they're not paying me. You know, like, because you're offering help, they're offering annoying criticism online.
They want you out for themselves.
This is all right here.
Yeah.
Down here, right?
Yeah, small patch like this wouldn't be too bad.
I'll be like, what, 50 bucks?
Yeah, I don't know what a bag costs, but
We got 10 bags, it's like $4 a bag. Can we work on that wall? Or save that for later?
yeah, save that.
Okay, so we're going to save that wall for later. This is a nice little...
But yeah, open this right up.
I'm going to get them all, and I think we should go outside and try picking out that little ramp thing.
want to take a couple of whacks at that?
Yeah, it's a couple. Yeah, so I think I'll take a few whacks of that mess, and it'd be nice to have a straight ramp going up, or
Well, see,
steps,
yeah.
That's
What I'm thinking is building straight out with some steps, and then maybe get some landscaping
Yeah,
bricks to hold, retaining bricks or whatever.
and I want these.
Yeah, and all those would come out.
Yep, them are mine.
I would be interested just to see how thick this is. Hey, why don't you start with this corner here? You got
Okay.
nothing against it. It
That's true.
might break real easy, just to get an idea of how,
You know, I should probably bring the camera over.
what kind of thickness we're dealing with here. Of course, it may be, I imagine it's going to be thicker in
Either it's
some spots and thicker in others, but
way too thick or it's extra crispy.
yeah, it's either going to. Actually sounds a little hollow though, don't it?
That's.
You could just see the whole thing vibrating.
Well, you see my hand, my mall bouncing.
Mm-hmm. Oh, there you go.
Oh, it broke.
There it is. Oh, Jesus, that's
Oh,
way thicker than I thought.
it's about 6 or 7 inches.
Yeah.
I can get that though. Slowly work at it. You know, let's make a rock grinding machine and make you some gravel for your driveway. How about that?
There you go.
You see that? I hit that piece of shingle, it exploded.
No, I didn't see that.
My hands. I think it's shaking the entire house. Let's start going there. Hear it cracking.
That might be worth renting a small jackhammer,
Yeah.
because then we could bust right through this. There you go. I think yeah, we got her split now.
That's not going anytime soon.
Well, it's definitely thicker than I thought it would have been. Damn, it's thick.
It's thicker than a sidewalk.
Yeah, it is.
Can you look at that? I'm going to start down further at the bottom to see what thickness we get down there, okay? Look at that, it's so much easier. Oh,
Delicate.
delicate.
Well, I wonder how many of those
I think this is
will
from
just pull right out though. Like, that one's ready to come right out. Like gentle tapping.
Here, you get the crowbar. Okay. Oh, hey. Oh, hey.
There's 3 of them. There you go.
Those are
Can't read it.
paper block. Here, We can open those up later and break the yellow. Want me to tap them apart and you can get them with the crowbar?
Okay.
The camera is focused right? I've been messing up with
I
videoing.
didn't even look through it.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. I really want that buffalo block, so I'm gonna get the ones around it. I think we should make you an earthen oven. How about that?
Pizza oven? There it is. Wow, look how big that is.
This is a fire brick. Hey, the one underneath its name too. What's that one? Hey, Burlington. I've never found a Burlington around here.
There it is.
Only found those up in Wisconsin. You rip some of that shit away. Anyway.
Gonna need a shovel to dig all that out.
Anywhere. We'll rent some heavy equipment to take care of this. Back
yeah, you
over.
can rent small jackhammers and.
Or even like a little excavator with a jackhammer tip. Because that'd be cool. We can maybe save this until we have something else to do. Like if we're digging out for a water line or sewer line or something like that.
Well, until we get some blocks to replace it with right away.
Have to probably move that and put a window there. That's a bit stupid. Well, you want to call it there?
Let's call it there.
Okay.
We've got our area scooped out here. I mean, it needs a lot of work yet, but.
Hope you guys enjoyed this just little messing around video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya.